knees making cracking sounds, and you're worried something is abnormal? Let's bust this myth. The cracking sounds come from gas bubbles popping inside the joint, stiff or tight thigh muscles, moving off the tendons over the bones. If there is any knee cracking without any pain, it's usually harmless. If there is pain and swelling associated with knee sounds, then get yourself evaluated. Knee sounds are common, don't panic. Pain is what matters, not the noise. Follow for more.